Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Appst Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on Netflix application. So let's get started right away. Now, whether you are using your phone or your PC, you can open up the Netflix application on either one of these platforms and you will see the sign in button at the top right corner. Just click on this button and you will be allowed to enter your credentials. Now, within the email address section, type in the email address that you have used while signing up for your account. And then in the password section, type in your account password. After typing in both of your credentials, click on the sign in button and you will be logged into your account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, click on the forgot your password button and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign into your existing account on Netflix. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.